So I'm replacing these rubber bushings that insulate the tuning capacitor, at least some sections of it, from the chassis. As you can see, the old ones weren't in the best shape. Um, the brass centerpiece, came out of this one. These are just plain old rubber grommets from the local hardware store that seem to be about the right size. They're not exactly the same, but I think they're going to do what they're supposed to do. There's another one down under here, and then where it's fastened on the back, it's actually, I think it's riveted to the chassis there. This is, and then there's another one back here underneath of this screw. I think that one will be the most difficult, but I guess we'll see. Well, that looks a lot better than it did. However, this wire strap, I should say, broke off. It was soldered in here to both of those, both sides of this thing. See, I don't understand. I guess they used the same capacitor in multiple radios, and some of them, this section has to be insulated from the chassis and some not. I guess like a Big 5 radio, it would have to be insulated, but maybe in this one it doesn't. But it's funny that they've got, this strap grounding the capacitor chassis here, and then they've got this rubber insulator in here to keep it from grounding, and then they had this thing soldered to both the corner of this thing and right here, you know what I'm saying? But I don't know. Gotta figure out a good way to clean this bastard up. I don't know what to do here. Take that off and scrub the shit out of it, I guess. Yeah. Oh man, thing's being a pain in the ass to clean. I thought about washing it in the sink with warm water and then drying it in the oven, but I'm a little unsure about the transformer doing that. Somebody else said the same thing, so meh. But it's cleaning up passably when I can get the shit scrubbed off of it. I mean, it's so thick though. It's just scrub-a-dub-dub. I'm using Windex to get through that shit. And look at this. Look at the pattern of this dirt here, or whatever the fuck this is. What is the deal with that? It's like there was a some kind of like thing going on here, ionization or something, pulling the dirt this way or something. I don't know. That's weird. Sprayed out the tuning capacitor with brake cleaner. It needs a little more. That's some caked on shit right there. It's coming off. I just don't want to get brake cleaner like soaked into everything here, because it might fuck up something else. But it's getting there. I think it's just a pain. I'll have to just keep scrubbing, I guess, and eventually it will be clean. This switch, this is the AMCW switch. It is being unreliable, and I ordered a replacement that's actually pulled from a junk S19, I think. Excuse me. It's a little bit shorter, it looks like in the picture, but it's the same style of switch. So I'm figuring I'll take the standby receive switch, since it matches these, and move it down here, and then use the new switch for standby receive up here. What else? I ordered a speaker too, and once I get all of the shit cleaned off of here, and confirm that it does still work after cleaning it, I'm going to start testing resistors and replacing any that are way too far out of spec. I'm going to have to oil all of these ball bearings and shit in here, but I'll wait and do that once I'm done cleaning it. Otherwise, I'll probably just wash all the oil out and redo all of these shafts and stuff, get them cleaned up and greased, and then hopefully it'll tune worth a shit. Then I'll restring the dial after it's all cleaned up and back together. Alright, that's all for tonight. I'm going to go clean this filth from my fingers and find some grub. All right, bye.